Okoman Radio 97.1.
The Mihuni and then Molana Osro because of March. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at a Ginipus. The Mihuni and then Molana Osro because of March. No Molana, idiot would have been Pempeswano at a Ginipus.
Blaster course 17. Omohana. Robert is the ocean answer. And a hotel who pay by no small boy. No, besides you in Sabidudu, if ye. That is Sudan for goalkeeper now, but done 1963 a share as I down for. The man is because on from Sabidudu now on the national team, where a club where and the bet. Now on 2 weeks, na boy from them. The boy na do any buyer, na ben coffee, Ejinanimo. And Obisa Benz or Kangana for no goalkeeper Nasuman. A man na Benji. A car about 45 minutes, not time was on a year stadium for the finals. And Benkofi to on Famano, no one wants it. Now, Yamahe, and I know what me go. And the time was about donations on a captain, and your cold room by room. I got a Robert Ada. I don't know, munitions are and you want me to go. Oh, and I don't pay over country Benkofi, and the Benkofi is a bam, blah, blah, blah. John, you ask him, I say, no, it's all for him. And I John G. And I'll call Robert, Midaba. And I say, oh, as if him. I say, I say,
ama wanra 2 season for elu ana blaster for hasa kolem elu ana local teams no see of hasa hwetiri kwai ye be come what say there that time you ko yomutene kasela hono me de ba e sample no say the minimum say mimi here o mo me be hia me o say di first year e ko skin ya ba mabo no o mo na be kolem wan mu ya be come ho eso me apeni o de bia
ani jaba ba anya kakra ni jaba aya kraso fo mi wa yedie me ka kira mo say match the boy in a minute. We can let this Sunday start match league. And then they boy a cooperation cup, then they boy league. And they go 2 goals now. At Totoso, how supporters will be out for 47. Meanwhile, we come to go. Ya to Aya Krasofo. First goal, the Charlie Lamonde. Second goal, the Jabba Yobu. But a referring me, a cover from Biazo free. Ya krato ya koyo mafuta mtete baka so ndu ntimi ko ya yo muzo mafuma wie ya cho mu wie a na rekotoko be pay numu ha ya cho mu wie o ye yo mu firima na rekotoko ba ha ya be pay numu ya krato kwa
ready for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to
Okoman Radio 97.1.
All right, Okoman 97.1. Eviensi enya tenasi Okoman Global Sports here de ba. Ana ya tenasi se anu sa guri emu sama etwagu Ghana ha ana afisa manane. Ya tenasi ne etume di hu nkomo. Na osho murana na je se murana wo soro. Amanfo mura. Yeah, take it away from our Eastern region. Ghana, how do you say the nation's capital? Okopia Wankaya. A man for a beer show, no more neomutia show, no. Makola for my yantia say, Nena, o my beer more Makola. And a yantian confirm Makola for Nina. Say, Monia Bramutia, Okoman Global Sports on Okoman 97.1. Sansuna yeso tudu fo no so mu pa ni agro ani tudu fo no mu fa show no ni agro. Dance to my last stop. Yes, dance to my last stop. Na Dansuman marketing so no go down opposite one ma just almost so be mu omo show no na be piemo Eastern region hey Manfi Bula Sport. Yes, Bula Sport our Manfi je be ni mo Bula Sport for so be show ni mo so monitor show no Samson at Total Filling Station our Manfi and so tie show no Miami na Kofi Free ano so temu o mampon oni tim de nyina twese a chese ne omo so ma bia mo tie so no na Kofi Free yakupon shiao mampon fo nyina mo heavy Samson na be pia mo akropon na has for sport and food joint kasi amankwa o ye heavy pa when the guys nyanya kupon shira mu say ne mutie show no big ups to you guys Samson na mama joa yes we know has for food joint my ton kan shira ton kasa right general action no sa o ten guy yes we are fine and has for sport and food joint mu so mutie show no mommy right I be call ne why you be call mommy wo Mommy a beer show no more tea else na cropon. We do a cropon Pentecost opposite and is a honor mommy a ball. Mommy sweat tea show no. Yakupon shroud. Samsung hey sister beans yes. Sister beans so tom beans our Pentecost I saw that no pay. And also monitor show no. When enkorani nyina yakupon shramo. Samsung be nice kitchen. Be nice kitchen. Maxwell Faye, yes, oh, be nice kitchen if you make chow. Also monitor show no. Na ko piemo so manya. Hey, I see so many form fashion in Niagro. If you make chow so many phone na. Samson na nuaso agomena. Ogome. Because Piamwa ogogo slow gogo. Ono wa ogome mami tiao. Ogogo slow gogo. The boy are down for no. Samson na Enoch awa krade. Enoch ewie mami tiao. Na fenso Ibrahim. 3 wise men in sowing. Ibrahim we heavy mami tiamo. Samson na Kobe ewo kolicho. Mami tiana ewie. Me papa Eric Eddie. Also no one you are the health insurance office every year, my minchao. Only team nina. Samson have a PM of your hair, Crobia Sante. The nicest. Jimina for say. Hey, I'm out for Crobia. Jina new crown for no chakis. I mean, can't now check his out because yeah. club ya ofia Samson the right commentator and now upon white shirt minim baby ankunim die ni fi madam sa brabon bibi I fine edema writer anything about white no and our budget na go review no ani aje writer so ofia obetene kan papa the fresh oskeni no papa fresh abe piem so ofia sena fresh asini tiri no em say no one some papa Samson Miami senior Kwame said again so watching Manchester United Jesse or say the new coach new era Carrick 2 matches and then 4 points but Carrick ever bought a chili nothing so no Raf Abbey Raf Rajnik United focus I see Anna Chelsea for more to show now moment man on yan training yan no Raf no Liverpool so club amadian mama on Raf na tete Georgian club and then Raf about United team na ye e penny for wo fie ha executive producer Yora Confiance on Bafo and also Pochidom Nana Kwame Perry the finest and also Ashisha Jumadi and kama na fenso mia mini apenyi Nana Kofi Okori Ajaman oh yeah heavy papa I know some me I know say catch you say my elite now show time here some me say elite anime Jeff Kufu Boateng Kokoti hene no I know say we must 247 no Jeff Kufu Boateng oh yeah heavy papa DJ Tony DJ Zikibi and make sure say social media ne be go and tenemo join live for Facebook on your Okoman Radio 97.1 Samson on YouTube your Okoman Radio 97.1 Twitter for more join here there at Okoman 971 or Twitter and our friends on Instagram and at Okoman 971 Instagram at Okoman 971 and to Facebook for Munsa Monfa likes ngum comment na mon drop it na just say more fire Kwame Amponsah Addi otemu olate mi ame bra panyin no nyankopon shirao bro I see you and to the beko na fence na man na nsem na tuma ba to bia sante atena se na mo awie mi din na Kwame Amponsah Addi obetima frame eke guess ni so fili eke no I thought that's a cramacan and I guess ni so fili eke it's me better as I know yes my makuko na face eke mi kagum ya guri musem but if you somebody yeshe o say no da ballon d'or no koso o kopie mu Paris the arrival of Lionel Messi let's just say superb abrante ne ba no ne yere ene ne mami ensa Thiago Messi Matteo Messi ana first na Quran di Ciro Messi ese busiane na Chelsea no Thiago Messi Ciro Messi ana first na Matteo Messi Antonella nso ye na yere wife ayo dimina impose wife kan ho abrabon me se opo na wanyo ba papa mfa ndu achi amfa nkan ho a emfa Ronaldo ekura Georgina Messi ekura Antonella enkoda wom abrabo papa no odi yentwi nisa Fonsa, but taking the back pass on the idea. Maybe I saw a guy. Rabon board acronabu. Ballon d'Or come over pa. I'm on focusing on Robert Lewandowski. Now go deserve award no. Now say by voting. Lionel Messi beat Lewandowski by 30 votes. Messi akasa ochirem sa ani Ballon d'Or no Lewandowski deserve. Nemo na last season na Lewandowski deserve this award no. 2021 dia no Messi dia. 2022 no 2020 na Lewandowski dia. Entini ya fama na siwa. Ebedi un komo. Nemo video bi trendy on social media. Chale your football ye cheni yo. Once a mema na ya manu susu krobia. Video trend on social media na ye nika. Right at transfer di munsembeba. Abayo bia ko bo referee e Women's Premier League ni mo. Oba wo bo nyonko ba e Women's Premier League ni mo. Right at transfer no di munsembeba bia me so no ma dwen kire me de beba. Na mom awia me dadwen no me so me de beba. If you man in a banner, if you send me a medallion with the papa, still on the Ghana Football Association. Metanasana fire and a crack called your mom. I say, mon pay headline sponsor. Mampa fear now, copy now, your master man, I'm a can. And to never corner fence, and I'm an seminal sweat to my bar. Crabia Santa Crado. And to the Yanko, nothing, and I'm an seminal, into me famra.
Some nights I stay up, cashing in my bad luck. Some nights I call it a draw. Some nights I wish that my life could be
Okoman Radio 97.1.
Some nights I wish they just fall off. But I still wake up, I still see your ghost. Oh Lord, I'm still not sure what I stand for. What do I stand for? What do I stand for? Most nights I don't know anymore.
And you know, Krobia.
Okay.
I said, we are fine.
Obadia Dauma.
And that's what a honorable person. No. So we don't know the track kiss. No.
Okay.
Okay. Say, we are fine.
You, I mean, I say, Simeon Pumuni and the ego go.
Go. Me kasa go microphone.
And I miss you. Say no cool and meaty and fat. Do how to there be and you be an air yare. No musu.
I say, boost the immune system now. Immune system. Immune system. I say, okay. I had to boost the immune. Boost the immune. But in some woman, in some
former players near dinner Kasa. And unse me de makacho say menye fan of Baron d'Or kwan a wo mo faso because always bia no criteria no e change and yen share den nya constant procedures a wo mo gina so edema this award into no me de me share dan fan of it at all because especially they are witnessing in 2010 2019 na unse Charlie around the one in some massa.
Now 2016 so one witness.
In some one even 2012.
2013, 2016.
Yeah. Who say?
But media whatever criteria we use to be I'm okay.
Oh, there be
say by voting.
Sir.
You know ade any you and you kwako to so aba. You go to so aba what benya vote no dodo no. And I read the media and you go to so aba.
Popularity ni aden so edu baby here.
And we lobby once in voting, you know, one campaign ye na nipa na anje wa asem na ntoma ya ntoma.
But I say your situation whereby no unhia campaign bia. Unlike when we say those times no near war superstars are wo mu nyina bibo ubo AC Milan, Inter Milan, Juventus, Real Madrid, Barcelona, Manchester United, Ajax no say what I said. That time no superstars no dosun. Inti one voting no evenly distributed. But this time round, we share the last 15 years, young Ayadin in a way say Ronaldo, Messi, and Abe Dines, NDC, MPP, BWO, Ghana ha. Say what I say. Inti no matter what, the Ronaldo aye biano definitely benya nipa wombe support Messi say no. Still now Messi ye bribia se den ubenya woma wo Ronaldo ne de and sana media and say yang supporting Ronaldo and as a Messi no yang answer ni media people no yang answer ni what right ni ade football administrators na ye to me to abani bi so what I say enu na mimi huni say enu ti na ma these two giants no wo mo to me rania to date but competition the mo catch them say competition and I say competitors are one to me at GB for the past 15 years today. So many players.
Okay, and young corner fence on examino Fatu Jafama ETF4. Yanko.
Some night number.
Right,
Okoman 97.1. Okoman Global Sports. Ebredu say enenu yede amanone semno tidbit around the world of sports no. Yenso yede ebeba edino. Eye Krobia Asante Sabrino ye jinemu na ye de nsema ekoso e wo man konkron Ghana amanone any African continent no ye de nyina no etumi e de abanti Sabri dwani e wo Facebook eye Okoman 97.1 na onso wetumi adwani feed no e ho na ne etwegu bia no onso wetumi ahwe bi e ho zigibi enenu kwa Facebook no tweeting very well videos no any other footages ni nyina no etwegu endra wenya kwan entumi ahwe baround woni bi all the way from Paris France onso ubetumi ediweni akire ho ko Facebook a Okoman 97.1 ubehu ni nyina bi nso no e ho no mo na bibia nso no etumi aye kama endra me de betu ga se ene club world cup no ebeba so draw no betumi abaso na endra wamutumi ekoye na papa anasa branti aye friend no John Terry on the host here former Chelsea player no ana bibia nso no etumi ekoso ewe na FIFA headquarters ewo Switzerland ewo Zurich ehona etumi ekoso na enya betuga endra da no wo launch the official match ball for FIFA Club World Cup draw no into ko Facebook a zigibi the ball no ebeto official match ball no January 3rd yes and the Club World Cup na se no official match ball no so no etumi aba betudwa eno nso ewo ho no mo ufiri ho a wo mo nso the ene fixtures no and I said draw no etumi atuga ene first round no eye boboku a ene ye friend no Al Jazeera ono no ana Oshia tima ene ye friend no Oakland City FC ana wo mo nso the ebabebo ewo ho no mo eno ni game a eno nso ebetumi akoso ewo ho no mo na match 2 no and I say match day 2 no second round Al Ali NEC Monterrey a woman so every Mexico and a woman so ebebo CONCACAF and a sa team wins no every and Al Ali so no every CAF Confederation of African Football a woman so no every Al Hilal and so every Saudi Arabia on so any Al Jazeera and I say Oakland City do be win biano ana ebeshia hono nefe well be win sa game no between Ali and no Monterrey no unso ba besia ene Palmeiras the CONMEBOL champions no Copa Libertadores unim say Palmeiras ana woman so etumi etwa ene boboko aye friend Flamengo womu twa omeka no mienu ama womu entumi antidano Saturday ya no ana game no etumi ekoso ntinu we be win no against Al Ali from CAF NEC Monterrey a woman so every ene no kosafa na se CONCACAF no ana woman so ede ebewin tam so hono na Chelsea and so ebetwen match day 3 winner na game no and so etumi akoso nti Chelsea dey until say semi-finals and na Chelsea and so ebetumi abo game ho no mo eno ne nsem a eno so ho ye free one ye fa ye ni so no enchire ene Baron d'Or and rather eba so the 65th Baron d'Or awards night eno so ekoso France Paris say ana eno so no results no ene ada ene no nsem esisi wo mu nyina no and so ete sabri ko Facebook a ubemu say ni nyina so no trendy the auditorium no picture display no ni nyina no ekoso Facebook a ene zigibi try edbi bia egu nti kona kohwe ukwa auditorium wo ubehu ne fe glass nkwa ana ene no egu ho no ma bibia so no etumi aye kama ho no na say na ene awards no so no etumi ekowiewie ho no players a na wo mo so no ejinemu no na eno nso no sei ana ete ehonum say 30 players ana womo nso no etumi nominate womo ehonum na players no say ana na eno nso ete in descending order no 30 players no Abranti friend no Caesar Aspilicueta Tanko only Luka Modric womo nyina no etumi place 29th on the Ballon d'Or list. Next just say players we are seeing nyina no players winning ball pa uyi top 30 a Caesar Aspilicueta Tanko and Luka Modric and no woman so etos 29 a woman so eba 26th position no yenya 3 players a woman so woman modern bono and I say vote no kwewie no woman so tie pepepe woman ebo so Nicolo Barella of Inter Milan Sansona Ruben Dias of Manchester City and Gerard Moreno ono so esina Academy Villarreal and a woman so ebo so a woman nyina no etos 26th position and a woman so eko Ballon d'Or rankings no woman etos 25th no Phil Foden of Manchester City and also English international no ono so bo na homodin etos 25th ranking no so Pedri Gonzalez of FC Barcelona etos 24th honomo Sanso and a Hurricane etos 23rd na 21st position no and also yenyamienu Bruno Fernandes of Portugal and Manchester United and no Lautaro Martinez of Argentina and International Milano also also 21 honoma womo Riyad Mahrez Algeria and Manchester City also 20th Mason Mount of Chelsea also 19th also Esina Academy England national team no Sanso and Simon Kaya of AC Milan and Denmark also 18th position Luis Suarez of Uruguay and Bobo Friend Atletico de Madrid 17th position and a woman so so Neymar da Silva de Junior de Santos no Abrante efi Barcelona no say nei Messi man kwan mo win ni Ballon d'Or into okọ na ono so etumi akọji bi say 16th we are seeing nyina ope won ani mboro ba Abrante efre no Neymar enso etoso 16th honoma enye enika Raheem Sterling etoso 15th na chere say nei Raheem Sterling kejua esen Abrante efre no Neymar da Silva Santos honoma enye Fediagro honoma Leonardo Bonucci of Italy ene team aye friend Juventus no ono so etoso 14th 13th no ne bra panyini Giorgio Chiellini Italian international no ene Juventus ana woman so etoso 13th honoma bibia enso eko Romelu Lukaku Minama Bolingoli ene Belgium ene Bobo friend Chelsea Sloke ene Inter Milan ana ono so etumi editor so 12th position honomo Erling Haaland of Norway ene Borussia Dortmund etoso 11th Gigi Donnarumma enso etofo 10th honoma bibibia enso etumi ekoso edemano Kylian Mbappe Lotin ene French international no ene Paris Saint-Germain ono so etoso 9th honomo Kevin De Bruyne of Belgium and Manchester City ono so etoso enwotwe 8th position Mo Ahmed Salah eneno Egyptian king no ono so etoso enson sina kan edema Liverpool England otoso 7th honoma bibia nso no etumi ekoye ebre yendi nkaso mihwehwemu a mabo 7 enei nyifa ana ne Cristiano Ronaldo wato so mako insia ebinsida for the first time in the last 10 years Abrante friend Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro etumi free the top 3 ni mu a wabepiemu 6th position ono so edi nkwe N'Golo Kante general enso etoso enum sanso na Karim Mustafa Benzema enso no etoso enan Jorginho Frero na obibia esun say Abrante yi we the Super Cup we the Champions League we to me abua Italy amane no Euros no so we to me age nanso the adaye koso ya ni say ekowie yi otoso mi ensa Robert Lewandowski in the Polish international and the Bayern Munich Arena udu German league ni mu awase bebia ono so etoso mienu ehonia nia odin kan no ebeba intiko Facebook na ene Okoman 97.1 na kona kohwe dia ekoso ehonomo dia odin kan no munse me boss no from descending order no dia odin kan no ebeba ntia no yemfa enhye kukuemu na efe yenko ehonomo sei na awards no etia udi weni ekire ene Copa Trophy best young player under 20 inti wiase nyina so far per player oni mbo pa fa weni kire Facebook na kwhye Barcelona Abrante ene Spanish international Pedri Gonzalez ono na Abrante no etumi ewini sa trophy no Pedri Gonzalez Copa Trophy of the year best young player Abrante no ana etumi eje honomo ana ono so ede eko Abrante friend Gianluigi Donnarumma ono so na eje Yashin Trophy unim Yashin Trophy Russian goalkeeper former goalkeeper na osina kan so no osi akan de ama CSK Moscow no muni ade nyina wa bono homodin ye papa ama the former Ghana international Robert Mensah a wenya ne baby ko unso no so no ye decide no eto no Yashin na otai ehye cap bi ni ade nti abrante no ana ye din ato sa trophy so a wo de ba English ma best goalkeeper of the year ya to ni din Yashin trophy no abrante ya friend no Gianluigi Donnarumma osina kan edema Paris Saint-Germain stroke AC Milan ene Italy national team no the Azuris ono anoje best goalkeeper of the year ana ono so ede ko Facebook a oda ho kama Chelsea abrante Mendy etosu mienu sanso ana ada goalkeepers no wo munyina so edidi so eho akọ Facebook a ni nyina so etwegu eho hono mo eho na onim se nei bobo anase magazine aye frɛ won Baron d'Or France Football a wo mo ya awards no wo mo the new awards bi etumi ebaye ana wo mo kire se top scorer of the year best scorer of the year any team of the year no ni nyina so a new one the maiden edition kra a wo mo so edi abana for the first time no top scorer of the year crown no etumi ekodema Robert Lewandowski ono no tumi je sa award no Robert Lewandowski best scorer of the year 54 goals and share under the calendar year no inti ukwa unsu be unse Robert Lewandowski ono so aje sa award no Chelsea FC and so were crowned club of the year wo mo modem a wo boy no ne the UEFA Champions League and the UEFA Super Cup wo mo so etumi aje ye and the Club World Cup wo mo so ekwa akobo ho no nti Chelsea ana wo mo so aje club of the year no a wo mo so ede eko ho no anioma so no enye fediagro ho no na sanso na akogre mu wo mai wani mu a ne ya baba wa a ye frɛ no ene no Alessia Putellas but what they call ne Spanish ma we say Putellas but ne ye de be kan Putellas Alessia Putellas so sinakan edema FC Barcelona and also a Spanish international ono JNA Women's Baron d'Or award no into kwababa wane da ho or da Facebook Alessia Putellas no ho afeye papa ono anene no ono so etumi eje ho no na enei zigi fayenko time ana enei kohwe ko Facebook Okoman 97.1 time ana wo mo de Baron d'Or award no eko no kohwe kwan na wo mo re eko Baron d'Or award no unim se mrantie Formula 1 players papa na say drivers are wo din wo fe ana legendary pa superstars na wo de sa awards no kwai na time na wo de eseka ni mu akono Fernando Alonso de obia ni mu no Fernando Alonso ene Esteban Ocon wo de sa awards no kwai nti before ye be board the ultimate winner 2020-2021 Baron d'Or no before ye be boni din no hwede ekoso Facebook eyi time wo de kono we hu abrofo ne yade o nti wo hwe Ghana Premier League no kwa wie no de Ghana Salif Ibrahim award no je no o hwe yen awards night no nti wo de hwe Crawford from Fernando Alonso and Esteban Ocon woman Formula 1 drivers woman edi awards no kwa into the Facebook ekegusa nefe no zigi wama yen time ekodi auditorium wono time ene woman di kopie auditorium wono say applause ekoso and said ya woman dey welcome crown no ene no abrante baako ane ba beje ehu efe twesi
na je say Ballon d'Or no ne e de ba no
Ballon d'Or no eno na e ba no ana e ba no
Alonso wa height pa
o height Alonso
son of Spain no
sa Alonso o ye driver papa
France France no
Esteban yeah Esteban intino eno ana ene ya was no na ekon ana ekon nti sese baby adunu ye wie medibesi medibesi but 2020-2021 Baron d'Or award winner 2020-2021 Baron d'Or eneno the award winner and I said their crown no yetumi edishare no
zigi ma we ni ntwangu video no ntwangu
video no
na ma
video no ntwangu
ma video ni ntwangu
yeah anytime video no sa video no ma ntwangu be say na Lionel Messi ya boni din abrante ya friend no ene Didier Drogba tabile unim say yes ono na no ye host of the day edema Baron d'Or no ono na ye host na wo hwe Messi ono ne family ne ma no ni nyina nso no na ye kama pa wo bo ne papa din na wo hwe se dia chiro no mu bo won musem na won papa ka koje award ehu a enti the 2020 and then Ziggy debi mayenwe answer Ziggy fa na voting no etumi ekọ so no
voting no
Ziggy fa voting no to so yes Ziggy fa voting no to so we are now the video number voting no fa voting no eto so fa voting no said dia enei emma no ekọ na mensam bo so emfama etie fo ne embesi enti we ase nyina ne 10 players are winning bobo pa ye Ziggy men's ballon d'or 2021 voting no fa to so best 10 voting no fato so nyoto so number 10 players are winning bobo wiase sisi a nyoto so number 10 Gianluigi Donnarumma Paris Saint-Germain 36 votes no to me nyan Kylian Mbappe lotin yo
58 Mbappe
58 KDB
Kevin De Bruyne
Belgium any no Manchester City onyamba no 73 Mo Salah
Mohamed Salah
Egyptian international Egyptian king Osina kan edema Liverpool Anfield England EPO new to be precise 121 votes and on to me nyan also 7th nti wiase nyina 7th Mo Salah no nim pa Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro for the first time in the last 10 years outside the 3-yard box. Sanu di new football mu ya was 6 years and 18 years na dey but this time Ballon d'Or outside the 3-yard box went to me into Alonso 178 N'Golo Kante General 186 Sanso Anakari Mustafa Benzema 239 Jorginho Frello 460 Robert Lewandowski to sumienu 580 and the overall boss
Paris Mafia
currently
Paris Mafia
Lionel Andre Messi Leo Cucitini 613 votes
Paris Mafia
in 90 so far Messi the king eneno
se scores no ya settle
nti si afa video ni tum
kama ye fa video no tum
fatum Messi akojina award kama agent oh kama fa video ni tum ma Messi obia ni wo na yeke abrante na ya adibi
Paris Mafia
serious this is and we are seeing nyina ma memfa mawo top 10 woman so the most successful player so far as the Ballon d'Or comes into play and I say Ballon d'Or ye concern
I'm saying kwara na wo no Messi man na yere no
we say
Bakundo Matthew the performance pa o
Lewandowski ni aje pop
Matthew Messi kwaje no
Matthew Messi
first no yes time sam me
F okay say native my video ni na so na Messi delivery Not also 10 the most successful players were Ballon d'Or mu so far as a Ballon d'Or awards comes into play or is concerned. Say that number 10 Alfredo Di Stefano, former Real Madrid legend. 02 Keegan 02 Hans Rummenigge
former Bayern Munich
yes 02 Ronaldo da Lima Nazario.
Yes, that's Brazil original Ronaldo.
Sure, original no, you can hear the original account. 02 Frank Beckenbauer. Frank Beckenbauer. 02
Okay.
Marco now they are also.
Oh, come on.
Marco van Basten.
Oh, Zono is senior.
03 Johan Cruyff. 03
No, revive Barcelona.
Johan Cruyff. 03 Ayas Slough.
Barcelona.
Yes. Michel Yacine Platini. 03 Inti say na top 10 note. Last two no say na Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro 5. Inti say nese bisebio ya cancel Messi awards nyina nka Ronaldo na edi.
Ya bi enye possible. Okay. Untumi cancel.
Inti say so far we are seeing na the overall box since a football any assassin so ba ya assassin na nyankopon creative we are since nkoda na obi ankoda nyina no say na Lionel Andre Messi Leo Cucitini 7 Ballon d'Or crowns.
Okay.
India no.
Lionel Messi.
Sure.
Greatest of all time.
Oh, okay,
greatest of all time.
Say
player be no planet is when born. Messi. That be.
India nuni.
Lionel Messi.
Enuni. Le career nyina say nothing 947 games, 756 goals, 318 assists, 37 trophies, 7 Ballon d'Or.
I say he is serving a living God. Messi is serving a living God.
It is say Yebisa say who is the real 7?
The real 7
CR7 is a brand registered.
A brand registered number 7.
Sir.
But the real 7
But
no.
who is the real 7?
And only power serving the living God no. Lionel Messi.
Okay.
His house course we are settled on you know United fans and Madrid fans you know Ronaldo fans you know scores you know you are settled we Messi is the real 7. Real 7. I mean, 3 years ago, Ronaldo so be ja. You must
real 7 yes ya be you say Ronaldo bope who's original Ronaldo.
Yes.
Na obi ehun say only Brazil ni.
It's original number 7.
They say original 7.
7 na Messi. Sam Mbappe betima akọ. January. Mbappe betima akọ January. Okwa 7 no. I remember Messi no so he's the real 7. Yes. Yeah, Messi no. Lionel Messi on writer and now nyintum.
Onimbo.
I mean, we no from nyintum say we are seeing onimbo. We are seeing na
muna move vote no me nkan be.
I be me chere say na say ti. Why na your man penny wa Ghana?
Okay. Okay.
Why na your man penny wa Ghana?
Eke yako eni.
Oh bibi saw some.
Eke yako eni.
Do one answer ti for.
O me answer.
Why na your man penny wa Ghana?
Who is the president? Are you asking?
Maybe so.
So president Nana Adutam Kwakufo.
Info say Ghana for na to abayi no.
Yes.
Enti no why na to info na to abayi Messi.
Ghana for na to aba.
Info we ase for na to abayi Messi. Enti we ase nyina Messi na nim bobo.
Okay. Ya atum.
Lionel Messi.
Okay.
Former Cameroon Mafia.
Yeah, that's it.
Sisi akọ Paris. Ono Paris Mafia.
Awe wa kwaji bia na.
Me kwaji hwe ya masa. Amanfo agisika no moto aba bi wa kire wo. Amanfo agisika to aba wa kire nanso amfa. Ya ngisika ye but ya to janiu aba.
Okay, that's it.
Lionel Messi ko chetene.
Eke ba menko e.
No bo.
Okay.
E mai miensa but waje ballon d'or no enso. Obi ma bro miensa.
Hey.
Waje enum.
Okay, asemo.
So say na ma dodo obewo no. E na odebeje ballon d'or no. Asemesi na kan e bo a. Se Ronaldo say ma dodo obewo no. E na odebeje ballon d'or on ta fo mienu. E wo eyi ba ko CR7 junior. Ansa no oba ba ko bi wo mu to 4. Ana waje 5. Ele say nyame adom kra wanya enum e hwe.
7 do so beji.
Obeje den. Obewo 7.
Okay. So enroll the letters.
Oh, nzan the letter ya dey to be crop ya. Obia just 7.
Okay.
Lionel Messi. There's no other player on this planet. Omo abako, omo da so one omo beba no. Obia aje me ko say me mechi asem.
Okay.
Eno kura no. Ya what? Your mama ba be ka kire wa sama.
From Andrew Basin there it seems like you are this thing on.
Say man for jiska kwoto aba, am for jiska kwoto aba, na nso amfa.
Ege dem am come ra, I me cover na why ye dey ya. Ai.
Ba London na ne ka. Lionel Messi onimbo no po. Wajatum.
Okay. Wajatum.
Greatest of all time. The likes of the Stefano, you and Christ, Pelé, Maradona, Money, Money adie.
You the go to.
Go to. Say go to na Messi.
Okay. And you lion or.
Oh.
Okay. Into
lion obafie.
Okay.
Antino writer.
Super and some more.
And some more.
I'm telling you, yes, Selena, yes. Wabu Rafi. I was Monitano interview one of station bina Okase. He went to the referee to approach him in their language, almost language, you know. So almost cabron. Yes, that we say no. Almost I was akasano.
Your friend is Selena Balanza.
Yes, a balancer. And a referee near Cynthia. I say anonfo say whatever. But Cynthia nye auzedin.
Selena no, me just say Selena balance no. I say F no. Disciplinary committee action so player who need right be asa better touch. Yes. Referee. Ziggy was video no fan
video
Ziggy yes, abayo no referee no.
You fan video no.
Messi me more feel.
More fair. Ziggy ye Messi dia no ntino I am fa Selena dia nye.
Selena balance only right so better touch referee.
I say or approach referee no so no need din come because na referee the referee was cheating.
Only referee could din come ben.
Yes, referee.
Oh wadamfo.
Unua. Interview statement no mo dey buy no.
The statement no ye me see entwe na so afi ni twa. Sa asem efe no kwaye omo baza wala kata so mumu asubia na
very sad
jana be se omo
very sad oba ketisi
oba o bo nyonko ba o di free
okay amafu akukudo say eyade esi wo ye football mo esi ampenifo no
sani amema na ye no ani bi na ma ni enti so oba o bu referee
omo ko Facebook
da po mo want man te ball ni akwese wa
ya kwese look at the how crowd goalkeeper if so a good goalkeeper Shestaya oko ball ni so a the striker was very intelligent to dribble
ya chewa wa
oko referee
enim gwasesem.
Now we need
police na stand go arrest a player no.
Yes.
Abai wa no stand police na arrest no.
Ebe adesua de ama.
Wa go to afon woni atwen say wa go bo referee.
Okobo referee. Say look at how we page out referee to be correction. Wow. Ghana football for you. Say nya they are not prepared to play the Super Cup and am penny for the aba. And the aba no if say you be is sanity Okroma sanity.
Uni mo. Ni achawa Okobo referee.
That's it.
No. This one is total.
It's very bad.
All right, yeah.
Super. And but I'm telling you, Cup or prelim no, and matches be. But game Kwame for be edibedi echire pa ayoko fodua Sushen FC and Oko United. Epabo and then you know amanfo ni be di echire that game na chi papa. Nti so ba de family to near kombra kotoko support bi akasa. Wase wa shoda ye hu say koroko ebeje leg no obeje no. A 6 point difference. Nipa ko beto second year 6 points. Kotokwe winning 7 matches ni nia. Kotokwe say above match.
7 matches. Ani has one match.
Super. Also die. You know you didn't hear there but waso die. Ehun say kotoko. Ebe winning 7 matches nia. Ne be here. You know super. Family to nia komra.
This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. I say this is our own. Let's cherish our own. Division 1 League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back again. This is our own. Let's cherish our own. Women's Premier League is back again.
Right.
Super. Well, me have 5 visa man to aso obedience so fama geneti for anu ya still Okoman 97.1 from Slako Facebook na search Okoman Radio YouTube IG na saso na Twitter yes ogu remabon say yes my phone ka Twitter no ma no to no yes okwabon say media bibia no is me live on the clever description yes videos no any photos ni abon say Ziggy B Albertus na bia so no timi akonkanya hon commerce no enya fedia gronsam ne dross ya boabo no say Pythagoras twa ofia no atoboase na wanya bi ese sokoto an hon commerce no enya fedia the writer commentator Yanshan Samana Sentempa from free MTN FA Cup nyame adoma ndewie ya 3 pm na okopiem matches out don bebre na ebetumi ashase sei na nkomo no si etie bubu kwa dine Boga FC ebetena fie no aton sadia fe Boga Soccer Stars no mene at the Arena Time so 3 pm na game no ebetumi atodwa South na Wa Freedom Stars ebeton sadia fe bubu kwa din at the Zigo FC rade kroma no teams out do amanfo team South na bubu kwa din at the Pro Players Academy ebetena fie aton sadia fe New Edubiasu United yankon nyame adoma na Abranti ante Kodjon Cancer Lore bibia sadia Abranti betumi start ya ehon commerce no enya fedia go South na bubu kwa din at the 11 wise any bubu kwa din at the Inquantaman FC the bearing terms so South na Bisu Paradise any bubu kwa din at the Enzima Kotoko bubu kwa din at the Eya Ego Academy ebetena fie no mo ne bubu kwa din at the Eya du Masan FC at the Arenta so na game bakwa nyame atoma Dewi obi ani bedi echire eye Kofodua eye Sushen FC any Oko United and at the time so we eye MTN Africa when you shop na won se we fima ehon komo so no enya fediagro kaisana so ase Andra bubu kwa din at the House of Folk any eye NLE womo etimi at the partnership do be etimi between time so na ehon komo so no enya fediagro na NLE openi bakwa wokasa edema mo ayo rantin at the Mr. Samo eye ewuku yes Mr. Samo ewuku de koma credit by yes as a ukopema nyame atoma dona womo any House of Folk tumi asan House of Folk ebenya 1 million eno na esika empenifo pie nyetie sema Mr. Samo ede to Jandra abra no mane bobo kwatini House of Folk donom ekoso.
For us at the NLE, we are proud to be associated with this partnership deal which will give House of Folk 1 million Ghana cedis within the football season for 2021-2022. Ladies and gentlemen, Accra House of Folk and the National Lottery Authority, we share similar beginnings. The NLA started from a very humble beginning. Yes, next year. Accra House of Folk also started from a very humble beginning, and today they are the oldest surviving football club in the country.
And to way and come back, Mr. Same, Samuel Kuwadia Pa, Yafi Emma, Genetia for our Jibin Swa, and Fediagro Yantin Tomo, our over the weekend, some matches out on it to me to try. Nay, the 5 of the Ghana Premier League coaches out on to me, adding Kuma Credia, but head coach, Adama Bobokwa, the team, added a year, Adriana Stars with Joe Jambrant and Rati, added Asaribedia, Joseph Api, adding Kuma Credia, but say yes, almost going to the game, no, my very prepared. I say Bobokwa team, added a great Bobo Quadin at the Legon City no now one of the greatest coach I will Kroma no I won't back game no be normal per point about 3 points no Mayano or better boys no as
I said, we prepared well for this match. You know, Legon City is not a bad side at all. As you can see, you know, they are being handled by one of the top coaches in Ghana, so we prepared very well. And we didn't underrate them because we know they can cause us harm. So we know we were coming for a point, at least a point. That's what I said. We were coming for at least a point, and I think we got the maximum 3 points. We are very happy, and I'm grateful to my players too.
And we Anna Kumakra head coach Adama Bobo Quatin Adriana Stars Asaribedia Kun Wadia Baya Emergen ATF Yantin Tomo our dream self Siakache Wilfred Dorman one of a assistant coach Adama still believe a pay Anna Kumakra Basa yes and dream self team no they were very superb but a mistake a krebi Omiya Kukwasa Miya Bergo and Abu Quatin became 90 a punish yomo.
I think on the whole it was a very good game. We started very well. You can see the first 20-25 minutes, Dream Sets were the best team. And not surprising, we scored from a counter break. It was a quality goal. The goal that leading up to the goal was very good. Then we switch off. And the last seconds during the first half, we allowed them to come into our box and they equalized. So for the second half, we changed some plans, we made some adjustments, but we didn't see it in terms of scoring. Yes, we had decent possession, but the team was stronger. They got a second goal through a transition play. We lost the ball in key moments, especially in the middle of the third, and they broke to score. Then they scored a very fantastic one. Must be very cool. The boy who scored the 30, just number 20, how he pulled the ball.
And we Anna Kumakra assistant coach and my dream self Surati Aaron Winfred Tomo Wadia Ba Yavi Emergen Etiafona Kasimengo head coach and my became 90 on so Kasaka cross year so Ankasebia first department no Nabobo Quade Adi dream self Yabrigo Sap almost about almost a second from Kobano yes almost petroleum skills and to me Adi yes Kasimengo became 90 head coach or in Komoway Eddie agent, Kasimengo, yes. Yentis more, what do you do?
We started slowly, but other team, match went on, we warmed ourselves into the game, and we equalized the goal we conceded. So when we came back, the second half, we changed the pattern of our play. But we saw the way they were playing 3-5-2, so they were always crowded in the midfield. We were finding it difficult to penetrate. So now we have to.
And to way, Anna Kumakra Kasimengo, what do you buy a call? Head coach, Adama Kyle 90, Uratine Bismarck, Kobe Mensah, Papes, one game against Kotoko, you are young, the boys in the ball. Because the Konomu said, I need team Yasa, was show more style of place, but Papa no, Gunya Cranko, Yetesma, Mr. Kobe, Eddie Tuja.
Yeah, I'm damn disappointed, you know. For you to dominate a game like this, and again looking at where we are, I think we deserve to win the game, but it's part of the game. Yeah, I think we are creating, you know. I think it will come. We will still work on it. But for me, I think that we should have won this game. Yeah, I told you in the beginning. Yeah, I have watched Kotoko 3 times. I know they are beatable. And I know the quality that we possess here, if you're able to do things right, you can beat them. And one thing we did not do right is to score a goal. He was already on a yellow card, so whatever it is, he will get a red card.
Enti Mr. Kobino no yako ekenu nie House of Folk fan back your friend Castro yes over the weekend koroko ane Carolina United no baba no komo crowd by say kotoko team no wada sudai ehun se kotoko no tie ni ba mame o se kotoko no wada sudai ehun se allegro homa je awie kra no omo ebetwi mu with just 6 points ni ba ko be da second no omo de just 6 points ni betwi na 7 matches no kotoko simple kra nti no Castro
sa kotoko league ya boy ya 6 points in the between Ghana Premier League do beto ya so second no ya 6 points in the between mu before say ya more enka be 5 matches na kotoko edi nkonimu abla ya more league ni kwa nwe no ma dai o maka cheze kotoko na win as a winner ndam na me hu no because of coach papa amenya nti me wo I will say you be dim nkonimu any time of time you be win 7 matches ato aso isi ala you be win 7 matches make us to na make us you be win 7 matches ato aso he Ghana Premier League and you be do ayabo. That's my vision.
Indeed, that's his vision. It's anokomo. So I don't know. Okay, yako 30th November 1997, 24 years ago. The late Samokwe. Yes, 24 years ago. 30th November. Ana papa no. Usha gidigidi bi 102 bi kosi wo bebia ensembe brebia ya nti edu sana na yakai ko Facebook Ziggy the late Samokwe yes ni videos ni matches wabo bonse ni skills ni dominant obviously yakai House of Folk or former House of Folk player papa 1999 yes o share we Olympic Games via yakoe no ano can be pa the late Samokwe yes nti ano radin fan ekran sie yi papa nti ege ano komo eso no nti no ada baba soccer interlatras na ndra soccer interlatras up against Prisons Ladies ne Super Women's League na nombo na goalkeeper de ma soccer interlatras Selina azion de Dabida you try na you know referee Cynthia coaching the bono say yes be nya wrestling ekwan na ndra so yon komo so nya fidi agro nti ya hwe ese the Ghana Football Association ade krata beba omo anye yi omo de bibins no omo nya yi omo timi ka so omo toto nyama na vrade okay ma me face ye tuo bi omo ta show no from afar yes omo ye brutal pa nyomo a nke be ye ya sa nti ye tuo bi a bebi omo de ta send also de mbeko bebi o ana na also de mbeko bebi nde
mommy o
yes yabako
mommy o
no de minjundi o
yabako
yes minjundi kra
yabako pon ahwehwe me
menjo de via se via de via len se hanu munye ya se nti via ya no men san hwehwe ege nti no I don't know but Messi no oje ba London everyam kakra e wukroma nti no ege ma me face
oto aba ne bi
me tubi me toma we yes I voted for the one who deserved
and the one he deserving
to me actually you know Lewandowski
and you know ye the basi na fin so ya be di nkomo ofie ono oto a I fancy and the writer commentator and I'm saying kind of Facebook o journey Lewandowski and Gasa born in Mama Messi writer betrana Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Facebook Okoman Radio 97.1 Samsung and YouTube Okoman Radio 97.1 Instagram Twitter ninyina at Okoman 971 also betima follow WhatsApp SMS or the bar 0551 667755 0551 667755 Repamu and so no emema akonya na so watimi afra bem na watimi akire wajima men ko Facebook na fe so men kan comments kaka and also if you are Saibu James Avanyo Oze I'm watching you live from assignment the right out the way and also etimi Edinidia Basanso na Godfrey Kwejo Amwa Makoni I say I'm watching you live from Ekropom behind the Abuasam market so no market in echi ochera ni market ni ntinzati say market in echi and also say Obapa Gina Papa B I say more fire enko enfama obapa de se shara chana de ko stem bia monitor show ni sa obapa Gina papa bi ni din ti oba obapa na efe ni Gina papa bi so ujana no so no sisi no so pa fresh no Godfrey ko jammo oja soja some more fire Okoman Global Sports you are too much and also no dia but me area ba Kwabena Majesty I see you guys are taking over and also no dia and also etime area ba Esiedu Ransford I say keep it up and also no dia good afternoon abusanfo na so no chicha sa na just here sounds on Kwame Amponsah Addi nyampon I say more fire bro and also no dia ade aba ewo fear ha no Jones Wine I say greetings to you all. I wish you all the best. Great program for the moment. No size. From Tema. Boom. And also at me and I say we boom. Okay. Boom. And also at an idea bar. Asamoah Paco. I say patapa atlate. Whatever. Yeah, some more. Ernest Ado Stoneway, I say fantastic show. And also Nedia Ultimate Area Banner say Messi Award na Ziggy Manenda was this award na Messi Achina Ballon d'Or no for the 7th time. Lionel Andra Messi Ultimate Awini Awaha just say greatest of all time. Johan Cruyff in 2012. I said that state here, the Messiah. I say Messi will win the Ballon d'Or 7 times. Johan Cruyff, Johan Cruyff, the Messiah. Ano Ballon d'Or no ono J3. Bon no mo. Ono no change the face of FC Barcelona. Tiki take. Ono the buy. Share that state. C'est Messi. Be win Ballon d'Or no makoma 7. Ene ya chef for me 7. Yakopon fan ekran NCA Messi asenen munyam. Te Lionel Messi. Bon semano. I dear. I just 7. Listen to no fair. Listen to fair. Papa Fresh Sofia. Sanson Akrobia Santia Transna Finsono. Rakwami said again. So I say United player be a new award. Quite strange. Man on sono. I'm say Alexia Naji. Remember, Barcelona for no J award no. Barcelona for no J award no. Pedro Gonzalez, Young Player of the Year. Messi.
Basa timu ne.
Na yes
yeah
Jomu jina serious. Because in 2010 Barcelona jina na so bani Barcelona were winning the award so yeah. Sabe Jafo be fine.
Be fine.
Okay.
My
friends be fine. Bibia kama.
Nyame adom bibia kama.
Okay, so Krobia. Mene Krobia no ono a die hard Cristiano Ronaldo fan who. Die hard Cristiano Ronaldo fan. But on the reality. Messi deserves award no matter what. Oh count. One count. Oh chere wadwun.
Me award.
Ya koto aba no. Ye sika to obi ahwewo. Tie. Ye sika ayi obi ahwewo. Amanfo koji sika koto aba amfa. Enteno mame mo bia 5 minutes. Na fanka Ballon d'Or no. Iwi abehwe ayi man football no abayiwa Salina abalansa eni amon samo kodi ye. To me there me say che no kra. Vanico police station we are assault. Assault ntumi assault obi maame obi nua ba sa. Ye ba di unkom. Na me sha semfenfi bra kwa me sha semfenfi wo. Eno Ballon d'Or Paris. The 65th ceremony to me to Dwa. Lionel Messi win here. Ballon d'Or overall. Donnarumma goalkeeper of the year. I'm for Kanwa Sense Benjamin Mendy near dia Edward Mendy. Sorry, Edward Mendy of Chelsea. But Ninya Koma Donnarumma Chelsea team of the year for the first time yet to be introduced into the Ballon d'Or ceremony. Robert Lewandowski and also for the first time introduced striker of the year. Etime winning Alexia of FC Barcelona winning women's player of the year. And I think so Pedro Gonzalez. Puskas no area for Menuana.
Puskas no I think say one be
will come back later.
Because normally on the normal way normal year the can.
We're shortlisted.
11 players.
Patrick Shea.
There's this Ghanaian player about Sandra Ansa. Bibisa also count. And so the actual near to me course when at Paris Messi May. I could have Matthew. Where Tiago performs pa. Ziggy man now.
Chiro no a guy.
Chiro the guy. Chiro a minipa. The last one on minipa no. Chiro a guy. And now I knew you tweet near the Evra. James no obi a waka bibia bia fa to nche Messi no deserve. Evra no. It's I mean you.
Yeah, okay. That's it. Memfa when you some French ungeti Okoman Global Sports, especially stitches. Obuem and Equator or Equator Arena our bro. Midin chairman San Grofi. Okay, Ballon d'Or. There is this perception. It's a Ballon d'Or, and I say when it comes to issues with voting, people are expressing their opinions and perception. And may prefer say when it comes to awards with reference to performance, and they should select an independent body who would assess, analyze, compare players vis-a-vis individual performance, team performance with reference to achievement. And then based on that, I'm going to mention also the awards. But let me say they have different perceptions, and I'm going to say they should vote. Team captains or whoever. They be able to say, when you team captains, we're French.
Where are the French magazine?
French,
okay. Journalists, sports.
So journalist. FIFA player and I are team captains, the coaches, the voting.
Journalist.
We all know that when it comes to voting, people have their preference. No matter whatever their preference won't change. Normally, I can say, bro, for their objective, it is never ever true. I'm quoting from Arsene Wenger. He said, when he is given the opportunity to vote for any player on any day, he will vote for Lionel Messi. Why? He's never ever seen an exceptionally good player like him before. I'm just quoting him.
Okay.
He said when he has the opportunity to vote any time, any day on a player, he will choose Messi over any player because he's never ever seen an exceptional talent like that. Into Obi say, what's happening in the team? So man opportunities on to a bar. He won't look at what Messi has done. Or then Messi achieve on. But because of senior player nebo robote and now who can tintino obeto amano. Nkrofo be criticize it. I personally feel I like him. Messi is a massive talent. From maybe a fee, maybe a wabedu. People were saying, but one team, that argument doesn't hold any water because one team no bonadia or the team na that's what matters. You understand? That argument doesn't hold any water. But I think on some few occasions, including this one, he shouldn't have won. On some few occasions, make my instance. Look at 2010 after World Cup. Okay. I think it was Barcelona who won the Champions League by then. Before.
No, Barcelona won in 2009.
2009. Yeah, I'm just before.
Yeah.
The look at Iniesta's contribution in Barcelona. Look at Messi's contribution in Barcelona. Come to World Cup South Africa. Schneider, even that one, even some say, even okay, you're sure on the merit of team. Not Barcelona. Messi didn't come anywhere near to Messi. Iniesta.
But don't you think, bringing in this World Cup thing, although Iniesta won the World Cup, he won it with Xavi. That nomination was Messi, Xavi, and Iniesta. Yes, and Messi won.
Yes.
And nobody Orica Schneider issue. World Cup, you bought barely 6 games.
Yes.
In a World Cup. Now Wakoyade, yes. Wakoyade.
Yeah.
Yabo Abaso. Playing in a whole league, playing about 38 matches.
Being consistent.
You understand?
Yeah.
And that season, Messi won the top scorer. in Spain.
It still doesn't matter.
Because most goals.
No, AK,
in that year.
Calm down. Don't let us. Mamu may deviate from the
2010. No. Remember 2010. It was Inter Milan who won the Champions League. Schneider did well. But even in 2010, Inter Milan team, it was a certain Thiago Milito.
No, AK, calm
who was doing the work.
That is why when I started,
very well.
Players' contribution.
Yes.
And you cannot tell me, say, even since 2009, you cannot never ever tell me, say, Messi's contribution, although Messi, is up. But you can never ever tell me, say, you override Iniesta and Xavi's contribution in Barcelona team. No, you can't do that.
How do you know that?
No,
those players wanted Messi to win.
No. Messi didn't even vote for himself.
He voted for Iniesta. And Iniesta also voted for Messi.
That's what I'm saying. A perception, the opinion that people are sharing. But if you want to be, due diligence. Now, kind of career. This whatever shouldn't be with elections. They should select an independent body. Just oppose young for players into to then show individual because we can look at the assist Messi Iniesta or Xavi is playing. Okay, can also normal World Cup. How many matches did Messi play in the Copa? Whatever. How many matches? No, I'm just saying, reference to it's the same around.
But Obisu with the Copa America.
You understand? And he won. And that
with
is
the Copa America. Obisu Bekasi in 2016 when Ronaldo won the best player.
Yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying.
He also won the Euros. I know he didn't win anything apart from the Euros.
It has been something between two players.
It shouldn't be.
It's not about winning something. Because Anka Modric and Konjefe. Okay. Anka Modric got arranged Ballon d'Or because that particular year he won nothing.
But that particular year, look at his contribution in the Real Madrid team.
Sure.
And then look at his contribution in the Croatian team. From nowhere, rising straight there, and he stood out. You understand? It is never the Ballon d'Or, whoever the FIFA play, it is never ever on merit. That's my perception. Because if people are expressing their opinion and they are casting their vote, it doesn't matter. Because yes, if we are looking at goal scored, those things are. Let's come to defenders and then goalkeepers. Let's look at midfielders. Sure. Let's look at not just a defensive midfielder, but we can also measure them by looking at their interceptions, their tackles, their one because that is their area.
But I think Ballon d'Or, the French magazine, they are trying to introduce something new. It's that this time around they brought in the best striker.
It is.
I don't know. They brought in the best striker. And I'm for making suggestions to them. Let me read it on their page. Say next year or the years coming, won't introduce this best defender, best central defender, best right back, any I don't know. Into the awards.
You see, I believe in the team of the season, and here I'm a panel. Because that
for the first time,
players.
Team of the season.
We are comparing players. Into Ufa at the point in time, they found Van Dijk. Then we compare Van Dijk to Ramos. You compare stars. It's easy to compare.
Yeah, sure.
It's easy to compare. If you clean sheet, a player na keep the contribution, the tackles is one, then the defensive ability, area ability. You can easily compare. But when you say when you are voting, people are expressing the opinion. There is no way. I like Messi as a player, but when it comes to objectivity, I'm objective. There are certain times, Ronaldo, same. There are certain times, you see, they don't merit. There are other. Frank Ribery was robbed one particular year.
2013.
What do you say? He deserved it. One particular year, Manono should have won. After the Brazil World Cup.
Sure. That was in 20.
He stood out. Which the contribution, the saves he made. Maybe the German national team, if he could do, maybe the Barcelona could do, Bayern Munich could do, win the Champions League now. But it has always been certain a number of goals he scores within a season. What about the goalkeeper?
Donnarumma winning the best goalkeeper ahead of Edouard Mendy.
It was close. It was really close. Euros now. Or tremendous save. Or saves. Before the contribution AC Milan. Opushi Wanga from nowhere. I don't qualify for Champions League. It was really close. And Mendy, all of a sudden Chelsea, they were struggling. And then Champions League, he came up. It was very close. But I think that one, Crano, made not much of a problem with that. I think it was close. But at least, Obiabeka say, okay, Donnarumma stood out. Because Ocean League now, Chelsea struggled at a point in time. At a point in time, they were struggling. They were conceding, whatever. At a point in time, then Champions League, Obia even didn't tip them. Nobody tipped them. After all of a sudden, we saw them rise. And then all of a sudden, they came in and won. Also, we've just even forgotten about Jorginho. Maybe a Man U fan. But you look at Jorginho's contribution, the Chelsea team, his contribution, the Italian national team. If it is on merit, Messi should have even been somewhere around third. It's never ever on merit.
The year Messi enya the best form, that was in 2018. Modric winning, you know. Yeah. That was the best year throughout his career.
Records smashing records.
But top 5 for Messi and top 5.
Yes.
Messi in the best career. And I said the best season ever in the career was in 2018. But
so it tells you
top 5 for Messi and
yes, and your opinions. People are just voting.
I will come to you.
If they want it, if they want to have a free and fair, just whatever winners, they should set an independent body, knowledgeable people who have knowledge in the game.
Okay.
They sit down, assess pros and cons. Short players are ever shortlisted. You found to compare achievement, individual glory. Reference with a team, we a defender. We compare you with reference to defense. We are attacker. We measure you based on that. We are midfielder. We assess you based on that. We are defensive midfielder. Like then we can have a fair view.
Okay.
And yes, Adia. Messi, Ronaldo, sir.
No, baby, yes, in the say Ronaldo remember.
Oh, but it's possible. Nobody knows. So, I ne enkoye mama you. Ochira, man you bet mama no home. So, no, it is possible in football. Look at what they do. Modric was how many years answer?
Baby, you can walk up and call ya then Portugal.
Oh,
against Italy.
Oh, Turkey. Against Turkey.
And tell me, Chelsea between Italy and Portugal, I couldn't go World Cup.
No, but I still trust Portugal.
Ronaldo, they end this stage and they'll be delivered. Papa Fresh.
I'm AK.
I'm in you. Ballon d'Or. Messi winning it. Jorginho third position. I'm on focus. Near there, but I think the position that Jorginho could do, you know, or deserve third position. Why are they?
AK. I'm in here for. Kwame I can't. But I think baby Kwame nene ya dream pie. Baby, I was set up independent body B.
Initially, Nanka a FIFA Ballon d'Or.
Yes.
But this blatter issues in the buy and what you want, this bribery, corruption, and then what you want, and I will be a Ballon d'Or. And Nanka when you boom in January. But this time, January is FIFA awards.
Still, it was still voting. The voting has always been the primary source. But whichever I was, there should be an independent body.
Who can independent?
No, we can't independent.
Voting should be some small percentage, because.
Papa Fresh, as on my journey, if you go independent, but no other mouse, who Papa Fresh, Shana Yi. Best player of the year. Yeah, I was saying I was feeling and I will be. But yen I was seeing you will be answering Nigerian. It's about to Ghana. Ha. Sanka, easy, sorry, easy independent body. Me sorry, ya. Also, me show my senior to me boomangano. It's the informal. There be a Ghana for what I'm watching.
And I'm voting. And can you percentage Kumabi? Because Eki, Menu Nati Hay, Obia will player on where then any general. And I brought Kwame a year in front to as an event guardian. Now I think say year na I can want some still now no me ade back where mo last year na ambasum.
Say
COVID na heading.
COVID wo yentumi
hia no keke. COVID
the new one a Copa del Rey. What about 2 finals?
Okay. One of the you can say argument and I say reasons somebody buy was say yeah, 5 changes.
Jeff,
5 changes. One of the arguments, and no say, the able game, clubs, no, it change 5 players. This season, that still error. One of the reasons somebody my last season, I don't know, because of that changes in Inti, Covenant, and go back to 3 changes now, in the game, no. Now this season, the same 5 changes, no, that's what you can't say. Spain one of Germany one change 5. Enti eden na si enti na me madwemu mehwe sanka this year no at least award no crab etimi ai 2 say bia yema ya kan say Lewandowski
for last year after the OG award or state o say Lewandowski deserve that 2020 they know zanka Ballon d'Or for nye bibi na nka won fa wana no Lewandowski also so deserve that particular award
enti eke how award ne course me one of the problems and I say be am problem Benjamin Mendy no me problem on because fan I'm a United fan by no kre woman say year na ye kan ho asem no year no Donnarumma oni ayibenya media men do guy no starting late e wo Chelsea there but I think say yes I think say performance wise because nienti aye pa independent body no masa e ko gina vote nko aso a ene akwese ebi ni mo points ni bi gu odeda meboa Cristiano Ronaldo ni Messi no omo top odeda nti wo afi na o ba obe bre
sana abrabo ne ti
abrabo ben eke we ye performance we yi ani nyina performance enye ne a waya eden atwam
akwese na me ma on fanto Ghana hey
yes
MPP ni NDC o ma kudu soro odada o de PPP na NPP ba adia
bia ni wa abrofo no abibifo enim ye chen omda se yesi ye kululu ha omunim ye chen yen bibia ni wa abrofo no omunim ye bon no omunim ni ye chen yen kululu omunim ye chen yen
we shouldn't cry
enti I think say award na how we call ne dey mani anje because award
na wani anje no
Ballon d'Or mienu ana man hu say omo ana o say deserve no yan fa amomo
ma study ade ba kon
yes
kamia ko say Messi ko gi award Ballon d'Or sa ye no yenya ho asem ka but when Ronaldo wins na say ayi din ka
eke no kura wo mu ni say Ronaldo dey ya kan bebre
yeah be na Ronaldo deserve Ballon d'Or.
Yeah, Ronaldo and deserve Ballon d'Or.
So we're winning 5.
Me nyan shemu ye. But I mean, I think this
2013.
I think this
we need 2014.
Yes.
We need 2016. We need 2017, right? Senior.
It's not about Ronaldo, Messi. Sure. My member instances are people have been left when they are supposed to win. Henry Thierry.
They never won the Ballon.
What are you talking about? Bob and Thierry Ambo, even our own Samuel Eto'o. Bob, Tembia wa Ted. Tembia Otimu said this year share to breaking records. Or she goes Barcelona. Oh yes, of a Champions League, of a league, of a goal key. Still like until maybe says then na wajina so. Say ne no Ballon d'Or come here shares and I say whatever FIFA player whatever come here Jojo Pong we are we need he wouldn't have won because those times
oh and then why they are going to be to assume
Agonya
because Georgino will be detailed.
Agonya looking at the way things are going. Agonya. So I said, Ballon d'Or, certain players have been robbed. Who say no? Clearly,
don't you think say competition no during their time? No, never so. This time around, competition. Ronaldo de Lima one time from 2000 and from 98. From 98, 2009.
Yeah.
No competition, I know heading.
There were competition.
Yes.
But I can say, in as much as possible, say competition this time around, Abba form. No. Look at certain players' individual performance in the team.
Yes.
Okay. In their respective teams. No doubt. You can't take Messi and Ronaldo out based on the things they are doing. Those two are automatic.
Okay. Consistency.
But that is it. They've been very consistent. But there are some players who have emerged. And you cannot say, with the year of analysis now, who analyzes the year, no. Some players now, when I emerge, when I so stand out, when I stand out, I show performance, one contribution, you override it because of these two players. No. So what I say, to me, Shabrante Haaland, one said I was starting. Oguswa to me the Dortmund he be near there. You know, he should come in because we're showing individual performance and contribution to the team. If you are ultimately know where he be near there. It shouldn't say that because we have two consistent individuals until those people shouldn't be looked at.
But in their own performance, national
team in Guanasa club
Messi
because for the past years Messi with Argentina
and this time we're winning. Is it not a big achievement for Messi?
For the past years won't mean Argentina no ajibe yahin enyensia now and I waje Copa America di Argentina wabeje enson meboa na Argentina player do ho na so no so ne club enu atimi ayi bibi nko ade ama no te say Lewandowski di a ye kan ya waje 3 trophies e di ama ye kan say o Bayern Munich ade no no ntimi enwini enti say yes enkrofo wo ayi points bi gu odeda enti ansa na wo beba be to san enkrofo no and you can just Okoman.
Let me say a simple question now.
Okay. Simple answer.
On merit.
Okay.
then Neymar, Messi, your favorite, St. Jorginho or merit.
Okay,
when it comes to achievement, this
last season.
Yes,
year under review.
It's a young analysis.
Yes.
Ebano club side. Messi, winning Copa del Rey.
Yes.
Me boy.
And Copa America.
Oh, whatever. Messi winning Copa del Rey.
Yeah.
We need La Liga top scorer. We need Copa del Rey.
No, those things doesn't come in because Jorginho is not a top scorer.
Some question.
I said also the defensive ability, the interceptions.
Remember, you need analysis. I draw so water. You be Messi, you be so busy in your bringing TV. No, it is. There be a trophy. Messi won the Copa del Rey. And Jorginho
won the Champions League.
Won the Champions League. And we need Super Cup. The UEFA Super Cup. I'm talking of Jorginho.
Yes.
Won the Super Cup. And also won the UEFA Euros.
Euros.
3 trophies. And we need.
How many did Messi had? 2.
Messi won the Copa del Rey and won the Copa America.
2.
A trophy. And now
compare. Euros is Copa America. Copa America.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Champions League. It supersedes Copa del Rey.
And even with the Champions League, with the Champions League now Chelsea winning, was he there?
He was instrumental. He was.
I'm not saying that
he was
instrumental.
Was
he a standout player?
He was.
Yes.
Among
he was. He was.
Yes.
He was. It was a certain goal. Kante Jorginho.
With the goalkeeper in the background. So yes.
And Oba that particular year now. Messi always does what he wants to do.
As in what?
Scoring and assisting.
And then make us say when you're bringing scoring in, then automatically the award becomes for strikers.
Me catch on the Benzema crowd, but say
why Benzema?
Karim Benzema say you want to goals in your assist crowd on the Benzema. Crowd Benzema when a new channel.
You can't be. Last season, no, Messi in terms of scoring. Lewandowski.
Assist me the scoring doesn't come in.
Season I can Messi and 41 goals no share 41 goals. Share 41 Benzema share 45 goals.
Be easy and that way Copa del Rey, Copa America, La Liga top scorer, Copa America top scorer, Copa America best player.
Now on na na so Copa del Rey agena I Messi Copa del Copa America agena say wa kunya.
Now so na Champions League agena wa kunya say elastic.
Masa Adiane de nukreda wa ni akani a free.
Don't media. If you are bringing Lewandowski, cool, but don't bring in
Jorginho goes near you na me compare. Ono ayi Benzema near you. Because Lewandowski dey abro ne dey no so bim e wanim.
That's why Messi can say Lewandowski deserve the 2020 award.
2020 bang.
2020 this year. This Lewandowski deserve more than Messi.
Undeserved.
Jeff,
this one deserved.
I don't know what the argument is about.
It's about who Messi deserve and undeserved Ballon d'Or.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know what the argument is about. Ballon d'Or voting. And you say one nipa ba kuno ti baby. And offer no see Messi beje. There's a cluster of people who are football people, qualified football people.
Soccer journalists.
Captains, coaches, soccer journalists.
Pundits.
And one vote. And what their money say, nipa ya one more vote, win you bia into how anything. What how pa anything.
They understand they weren't fair to
who Lewandowski.
Yes.
It's unfortunate that in 2020, Ballon d'Or because of the COVID restrictions in identity and to me Amaso. We all know say 2020 Sanka what the Maya Anka Lewandowski undisputed.
And that one even at least they should I was
even Messi admitted to the fact say 2020 Lewandowski deserved it. Into the end of the day,
yes.
There is nothing that takes the Ballon d'Or this year away from Messi. Messi has won his 7th and Messi is good. Thank you.
He's the greatest of all time. Finish. I'll go
Kwame say
Kwame say.
No, doesn't allow Obiya to cry. Your personal performance.
But your
the more you score the goals, the more you become top.
Records be
records no obi watch records no obi dia bro ne dia no so ya na ya ka no dia bro ne dia no so
Messi
take that thing
obi be kasa kran kasa Messi osie yi ena esa nko okasa because ono the Cristiano Ronaldo dey open but always so ya dey
Ronaldo di mbamu Ronaldo e
David Sankate aka Ronaldo e dey na
fight ni ade
club ya mitio
de bia me ka sen me pa de ye wo me ba asasi so eja me wo tam ye ba e mbehwe Ronaldo num ni ade a kakra but eke me ade ba kwa me meti asene se was the best player Okoman best player award individual award o nti dia team bebe mu na say wo mo de ahye ye den team of the year and only all inclusive manager any players in it but every award bia wo mo ye ni bia no sa bi no individual and wo mo use the word best player best player to me it shouldn't be say wo the club we win the trophy and na why best player we your best player and yes we do club and our national team beji trophy before answer describe what ability of play what style of play answer describe nti say yen hwe nim pa say currently we are say ayewe Ronaldo abebobo eje Ballon d'Or 5 ni ade understand but sa two no genuinely senior I'm talking to from the aspect of those I almost say if say beba ni say voting na we are open Messi assemble vote am Messi ni say why you bribi why you bribi be vote am we Ronaldo abe vote am Ronaldo but yen hwe ni say if say body no ye genuine na wo de wo to so na say dia you cry for genuineness no say dia na wo kasa say genuine ti embra game ni mu no na say obey genuine if say ye kasa ball on the feet everything in football even scoring of goals creating bia in football say so be onim boy your best in fact club unje trophy in fact national team unje trophy but nipa no your best anka den say from 2009 till today
2008 crap
2009 me and what I measure baby ana Ronaldo onumo
even 2009 Messi was part of the
yes or can be yeah but me say that time near player yes na ye beto sa those core players ni bi till today obi aniwa so je wo se won kan kware memento even na was an ye Ballon d'Or na ye between Messi and Ronaldo meto ama Ronaldo I won't vote for Messi but ball was the best player on not any other year biana player bia better than Lionel Messi I'm telling you
not the phone lines
any other year
Mami announce the phone lines so 0551 667755 0551 667755 Messi ni suit no mum na efe pass suit no ai fresh Messi suit no
masa
na efe
guy na na say obam
anya na so obam wo mu dada wo de wo 0551 667755 0551 667755 and answer 0270 191 971 0270 191 971 obetumi afra bem now so wetumi akere waje Ernest Safro I say the comparative statistics are clear. Messi is a true legend. They say no see now Lewandowski everyday Messi beaucoup Messi na me Abraham who so be winning here last 3 days no ko CV you know o CV pen am so esi mame fobu hello good afternoon Bacho Dinu where you are free
yes maga mata mkatafi ekropon
Bacho Dinu
maga mata
oh okay we are fine
if you are fine I want to work man
Yankopo adom yehuye my team
okay properly I mean contributing to program no yada if do be as say ndo to my vote my Messi only on a champion man and you cut off the way champion be and analysis be of the man is into another year pamacho you very say mo meda say na mo say boy ni mbo wo keke ni ana ye fresh
Okay.
Back pass is over how no so check na drink akra.
Hey, what the back pass mo ya dey you family.
Okay.
Senior, Bachodi.
Yes, this is Lampard for life.
Hey, Lampard, I know now you back pass. And now one pan now you back pass. Mind you.
Set the world best in the video where Messi will be in it. Just kind of what the beauty for ball. Let's say Nipa, ultimate to one and ultimate the body. Let's review the original born veteran work out to move your born veteran work out to man. But I was a hand pan on him bornable. Messi do deserve a prime also.
And said that's it. Lampard back pass right it here. Also bet my fraba 0551 667755 0551 667755 and I think so 0270 191 971 0270 191 971. Antonella. Ballon fait o are abrabo de anya ba papa ballon do unya bi o we de anya ballon do Zinia
your players be who show be to say Pele, Maradona, Henry, Steven Gerrard, Iniesta, Andre Pirlo. These are players Roberto Carlos, Paolo Maldini, Cafu. Woman you into me and Ballon d'Or, but it doesn't fend or ward off their respect in the game.
In a game, sure.
Their legendary legacy in the game. So I think the world is not fair as you all know. And no matter the situation, and I say decision, I won't be taking their bibiano and favor be our sassiso. Yeah, and say one call boardroom, na yen set nipe bina woman cotton and Shasadia. These are people I want to interest. These are people I want to interest. It could be me, it could be you. Say once will be you are cotton that way so. Also, yeah, football people. It came to a time when Sablata. It came to a time maybe one person yes is Sablata Antino. Bribio Kokasi. Ronaldo Messi deserve ya one na womo de Okoman. It came to a time yes is Sablata no nyina ka on what the ban on the woman.
Now when you fresh is on what na go use your baby.
Imagine this some nyoma bi wo wan Charlie it has been
0551 667755 0551 667755 with my problem me for two cause be na yen fancy senior now
okay say that means we've all agreed say it is not on merit. Then the next thing they should do is say instead of Ballon d'Or when you best striker, best midfielder, best that would be fair. They shouldn't be overall. They shouldn't be overall. Yes, they shouldn't be overall.
Mami Fobiwa.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Bachodi baby Afrifi.
Good afternoon, boss. We're Unia Kasola, the Zambia burger in Mambo.
Oh, senior, baby I fine.
I mean, I don't boko.
Okay, now you know Mantonka, yeah, what you know, still na Mantonka, and you say we are Matonka, right? Number, and you right.
Yo, only have my money at my palm, where my gun and my new crap mine. Ballon d'Or. Master Messi, on this level. This year, I'm going to the best striker. I'm going to the best. I didn't see that because some people did there. I'm Randowski said, one more day, Padicha was over the year. One more year, she said, the one year, no, because Messi, Randowski not far away. Simple. The mark of 5 did the amount as I said, I'm the best. Now, one more son can say, one begin for 20. The year 2020, the year 2021. What is that? Year 2020, the year 2021. Master, I do ready. Are you bogus? Yeah, G to the other. Messi, the beyond or G bound the Bibahu. What's the Bibahu? Because you knew the to the vote, you know. Only Ronaldo, one more top, one PRO, so we are strong. Into the Juma, I was a way more. Almost we hear Juma, I'm about to come on. Call the aside. Oh, what the aside? I'm not going to. It is a PRO, so me, yeah. And yeah, they are waiting here for me because Randowski not good deserve, but the PROs no send a Juma on by year now on the out of Casa governor to Abano. Only the yeah, they are waiting here winning. It's Messi, the idea we are on the man, the master question mark at the whole pine. Only Yamea Juma Michia, a lawyer play partisan, and this will be Yamenka or Monet, and Mapa Boma, Ghana, mine, Ukramania. Yamenka.
Responding to the gentleman that just
I know watch na adwene.
Watch na adwene. But me person me so make say Ballon d'Or no a private award scheme and you FIFA there.
And FIFA.
It's a private
French magazine.
Thank you.
Yes.
And secondly, we voting.
We voting.
Until on to me, say if French football decided say 2021 because of COVID restrictions, until yeah, for this year, we get we be to me catch. If FIFA we be to me protest. We need FIFA.
We FIFA. Men I made them.
Yes. And no say this year me yet.
The mama editing me with Joanna.
This year 1 year into 1 year into any day. Where I wish I won't see CB and also to me come Ronaldo.
Also to me organize Ballon d'Or. Now they but you know say registered Ballon d'Or registered name to me go yeah. So Suarez and the award come Messi. Yes, you tell you say yes. You know Messi. Everything Messi. Yeah, it's only I in Europe. The why? Where can we be? Messi winning the 7th Ballon d'Or. It been see that in football history. We need Ballon d'Or no.
Na oyedenti na win ye no.
You go to aba no nya
send aba. Unza Ghana about on kwa don go timi nya bi.
But say you no win presidency no.
And am say o timi nya bi so you go to aba.
So bi nya bi Georgino anya 40. Georgino 400. Obi nya 40. Obi nya 40 wom. Top player power onya 40.
Em say okay, on a more serious note no. I think say the continent called Africa into your own. Yeah,
Salah ninya 14
yeah.
One player.
The continent called Africa. Shebola.
Is he game fan to na
Shebola Salah Abo. Ehwe mani no mo maye. Na I think say we say what on in America. For the first time in the history of a year Abrante Lionel Messi no. I think say no mboko CAF no hu.
Copa America.
Ombo Copa America no of fire. I think for the first time. But none of the three Messi they say on fire World Cup.
On fire Argentina national team.
Yeah. And to me, I think say one of the criteria so I'm share just one and Messi to me no. And you know I think say share modern bonnet there. Yam fan sa. I think say the career no enyamba wiye unjo man home so. Now Messi marry man home so kakra. I think say all fans and I think they all support no. Obetumi agibi onyere ne ho kakra because when they can say ye hwemu pa dia anka no kra ni nyame anim Lewandowski no mbo modern kakra
Messi chire mu anka Lewandowski deserve
last
year dia no sanka obesere ayi Ballon d'Or for sanka omunya award na nka mo fama no
Lewandowski no mo deserve na ade ho ye hwebi ball no yenso ye hwebi
and Messi na gasa hwebi
and I say I think since 95 I think say upon we are the Africa corner kakra on the world stage of football. Yen share that bibia
the only player they corner anymore Etofios being the third position.
Yen share that bibia.
The only Ghanaian you rating higher. This Ballon d'Or Asamoah Gyan in 2010 he was rated 18th. Ballon d'Or.
And me no they be America Messi ni Ronaldo no ball no mo ni mbo. Say ye young football no say sia. Ye ball no enyefe. Messi Ronaldo mo ni mo enyefe but onipa na modern so a e say to me case onipa no. This time around I think say the organizers of Ballon d'Or no they got it sometimes right.
You blame the organizers.
Oh yeah, I think say they have their money and then they decided whom to be giving the money to.
They be decided voting.
I think voting there
Messi Yemfancy Mamenda Papa Fresh as a crop Yasante Sansana Kwame Sedega about Papa Fresh say and then the boy and so na Oten and Ka pass it through an offense Jeff Kufu Boateng na no courage man Oten and Ka writer commentator at the FCM and so it me about DJ Tony a bomb on offense with DJ Zigibi social media and so it me Emani Etwegu and na Kwame Perry the finest and so she said Jumedi and come na offense so na executive producer Ayura Kofi Anson bar for KB and also a bot your chidon park was ye kwasi citizen yes citizen and so so monitor show no from afar and also no a heavy pana bonto mamincha bonto koko hono ma bonto and so no koko hono ma mamincha no bonto heavy pa ewe ya samo also pe video Ballon d'Or video no ntia na ode amano ai ntia ncha bonto bibia so kama ntia debesi enya mepa ochena 1 pm esa beshia na mekoi amefa sa nyu mi fenja mo muchum